What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. A lot of you guys asked me about Tortoise Acquisition Group, if it's a stock to buy right now. What is going on with them in Hyliion? We're going to discuss that. Another thing is, I put a lot of time in this video, so make sure you give me a like and make sure you keep an eye on my channel with the 2-video series. I'm going to discuss, first of all, this company, if you should buy it right now and why you shouldn't buy it right now. So again, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe because I answer a lot of your questions that you give me. I give you my honest opinion. I like to do stock analysis videos. I'm mostly a dividend investor. Obviously, my name is Darth Dividend. And, I do stock and dividend analysis videos and a lot of stocks I own. But, the more questions you ask or the more requests that you have, I'm glad to do a stock analysis video on certain companies. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion on why things are good, why things are bad. I'm not a financial advisor. I have a disclaimer in the description, but I'm going to keep it real with you guys. So, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. And, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. But, this is for you guys because you guys are asking me questions. So let's jump to the stock price of Tortoise. Then after we jump to the stock price, we're going to look at the mission statement of Tortoise Acquisition Group, basically their objectives on their website. And then I'm going to give you some ideas why you should probably buy it or why you shouldn't buy it. Okay? So make sure you stay tuned again and check out video 2 that I plan on doing. That's obviously with this merger that I'm going to be discussing. So it's going to be a 2-video series. I'm going to try, let's just try tomorrow to do round 2 of the video series. And then I'll probably discuss my M1 Finance dividend portfolio strategy that I changed. So I'm going to try to get 2 videos going on. But let's get to the scoop of these guys, Tortoise Acquisition Group, and let's see what you guys think after this video. So thank you again. Make sure you hit the like button, and again, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Let's get rolling. Okay, guys, this is Tortoise Acquisition Group's price per share right now at $22.59. It was at one point $27.07. It is down $22.59. So this is a new stock on the block. There's a lot of excitement with this company, with this merger that they did with Hyliion. The second video, I'm going to really discuss that. But what are these guys about? Let's look at their financials. Like once I click on that and see how they're doing financially, and let's see how they've done against the S&P. Let's start with the S&P. Okay, so these are kind of like the new kids on the block. They're up 132.89% with the S&P index, but most importantly, let's see how they're doing financially. June 2019, mom is a word. September, mom. December, mom. Mom is a word. So March, net income is up 44.17%. These numbers make you question what the hell is going on with these guys. But once I go to the website and show you their mission statement, what their plan is, you'll understand why they're not doing too well. At least I'm going to try to explain why. So let's go to their website real quick. So okay, if you look at their website, obviously the big news that they're merging with Hyliion to accelerate the growth of electrification of Class A commercial vehicles. So let's just say, let's look at why. Okay, what are these guys about? So they're a special purpose acquisition company formed for the purpose of effecting a merger. Did you see that? Effecting a merger, stock exchange, acquisition, reorganization of small businesses, combination with one or more businesses. So they want to fuse. They basically want to fuse and become a machine or a juggernaut. That's basically what I'm seeing this at, or portraying this as, or basically my mindset is like, okay, they want to fuse, they want to be a machine. So their expertise spans across the entire energy infrastructure value chain. Our strategy has been to combine with the company and take advantage of the global opportunities created by energy transition, including clean energy generation and storage. alternative fuels and transportation, technological advances, and changes in energy policies. Objective. Our strategy is to identify and consummate our initial business combination with one or more businesses involved in the energy sector in North America, although the company reserves the right to pursue a business combination opportunity in any business or energy or industry. So there you go. You're noticing their goals, what they're trying to do, what they want to achieve. Okay, some places they want to make profit. McDonald's, they want to expand, be a franchise, be a superpower that way, and distribute dividends. These guys want to fuse and become a machine with someone. Okay, so it's almost like they're trying to form like a symbiotic relationship. So let's jump back to the stock price, and I'm going to tell you why you should, pursue this stock, maybe buy it now or maybe not. So let's look at the stock price again. It is $22.59. It just merged. Okay, there's a few things that you might want to consider. This is a new kid on the block, so the price per share could drop significantly. So the people that invested in these guys very early made up a huge profit, and many people probably sold it. So, and congratulations to you guys who have made some very good money on this company. Their goal is to merge. Second thing is they're merging with Hyliion to create a IPO. Okay, so this is one reason why you shouldn't buy. You might want to wait until the IPO with the merger of these guys that's trying to hit the market. Another reason why you should maybe avoid these guys, again, the market is based off emotion. So, myself being a dividend investor, when I invest in a stock, I'm looking at the long-term possibilities. So, this is right now based on emotion. Big word about the merger. Everybody got some highs and started buying like crazy. The price per share went up. Again, it was like this, $10, and then it jumped. But now it's starting to drop. So, once you got it at its peak, basically, you're golden. Okay, I can almost guarantee many people have sold this and made money, but it's starting to go down. Okay, the market, things can go with the market. People can freak out about the bug. There's just a lot of issues with emotion. Elon Musk can open his mouth. He's a very powerful individual, with his Tesla and all that. The moment he opens his mouth, price per share could go down right away. So he's a very influential person in the market. I think he's more powerful than Warren Buffett right now. I really think that if Elon Musk opened his mouth about McDonald's and said they suck as a stock, price per share would go down significantly just because he's such a powerful influencer. You got to watch out for that guy, because I'm telling you, he opens his mouth, there's a lot of trouble sometimes. So basically, the price per share is going down. My honest opinion, I'm not going to buy it because I'm looking at the IPO right now, the potential IPO with a merger, which I will discuss in the second video. So make sure you watch that second video as well. But I'm really right now kind of iffy with this. I mean, if I was a genie or something, or if I can time travel, and if I can, put money in like right there when it was $9.85 and threw like $1,000 in, and then I went up to here when it hit $27 and sold it, yes, I would do it. But, I'm not a mind reader. I can't really predict things. And I'm a dividend investor. So, but if this company eventually, or the merger, started giving off dividends, absolutely, I'm going to keep or look into these guys in high consideration. I think there's a lot of potential. Now, here's a reason why maybe you should buy. There's a lot of potential with all these electronic vehicles. Everybody's trying to go green and use new forms of energy and transportation. And why should we rely on the Middle East so much, with oil and stuff? So, there's a lot of issues with, oil, price per oil, manipulation of oil. and you're just using electricity. So electricity can easily be generated just by certain ways and means, but how are you going to get that energy, and how are you going to get these in these trucks? But there's just, everybody's pre-ordering all these trucks and everything. There's a lot of potential. There's a lot of serious potential. So I'm just really iffy on this stock, but I really am excited to see this company thrive. I'm really excited to see this merger and acquisition. And, this is part of the American dream. And, the American dream, basically, you work hard and you get results. And I have to give these guys credit, as a company. I'm very excited for them. I just am not going to invest in them. I just really like the way they are they basically follow through with their mission statement. So you cannot say these guys are, they don't know what they're doing or anything. They clearly said their mission statement on their website. So for me, I'm just going to lay back. If they're in a mutual fund, with a merger or anything like that, fantastic. Then I'm in. Maybe my 403B or something. If they're in that, that's awesome. They could be up, they could be down. There's just a lot of uncertainty just with this stock. But the merger is a different story. So that's my honest opinion. I'm just gonna pull back a little bit, just stay a little passive and stay out of this one. But for you guys that have made a profit, congratulations. I hope you guys make more money. So that's my honest opinion. So let me know what you think of this video. Again, if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Make sure you give me a like. And then let's look at round 2 either tonight or tomorrow. But again, if you guys are new to my channel, check out some other videos I have. I do a stock and dividend analysis. I reveal how many shares I own on certain stocks that I own. I enjoy doing these type of videos. I am a dividend investor, and it is very exciting to see many of you guys generate a profit and fight for financial freedom and financial wealth. I believe that you guys are very smart out there, believing and fully committed to your philosophy of having multiple sources of income. So thank you again, and have a great Saturday. I'm going to enjoy the sun. I don't know about you guys, but it's going to be 90 in Ohio, and I got some sun time. I'm going to be out at the pool, probably drinking a few IPAs. So, if I have a few IPAs in me, it probably wouldn't be a good idea to do a second video. So, today. So have a good one. And, tonight, I doubt it. I'll do a video, but tomorrow, definitely, I'm going to discuss that merger. So, stay put and enjoy the weather. Make sure you are smart with your money, live the frugal life, and do what you got to do to be financially successful, ethically and morally. So, and I need to get this coffee kicking in with me. You guys are asking me all these questions, and I need to catch up with everything. I mean, I do my ACLS recertification. All of a sudden, in the middle of my class, I see all these emails popping up. So I need to catch up with a lot of this stuff. So, all right. So thank you again, and have a good one.